Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you my commute after lunch. I just had lunch. And I did the same video that I'm doing now in Portuguese on the way to the place where I had lunch, and now I am returning home on the Sur Ron Light BX. And it is amazing. Wherever I stop, wherever I go, everyone asks me what it is, how much it costs, where I can buy it, and I'm in love with this Sur Ron. It's an amazing e-bike, and here we go. Woohoo! Then we just have to take this one. We have to brake much earlier than what I usually brake on a traditional motorcycle, because there are brakes here, but they just slow the bike. They don't brake hard as a motorcycle with ABS and all those things. So I am careful when I'm riding it, and as you can see, I can ride it here on the roads without any issue. I can even overtake some cars and enjoy my commute. The only thing I cannot do is go on this street here above me, this bridge, because it is forbidden with this kind of e-bikes under 50 or equivalent to 50 cc's. They cannot go on those fast roads, but I can do the secondary roads without any issues, and I will cross the bridge over the main road with this, because this being an e-bike, I can do that without problems. So I just go here. Yes, it's here. This one, it's I don't know what it's doing. I have no idea. So I can overtake him and go here. Have fun. The more fun I'm gonna... Oh look, there's a bump on the road. I really don't care. Woo-hoo! Done. And here I go. Wow, this is really cool. Yeah, it's more cool now. I'm going downhill. For going going to lunch, I was going uphill. It didn't go that fast, but now going downhill, it is okay. Well, no one behind me. I have to go here, and now I just have to make sure. Okay, this is a one-way street, and I'm gonna go over this bridge here that's gonna cross the main road, as you can see there. And I just go here and go here and give it throttle and enjoy it and do this and do that and have fun. Just make sure that no one is coming. There we go. That street over there, this one is not allowed, okay? This is why I have to do this little detour, but doing this detour, it is fun. Whoa! And again, one more. Whoa. Yep, here we go. No one coming. No. Turn around. And I'm on the other side of the road, which is basically on this side that I live. And now I go back to traditional streets, enjoy it, have fun. And as you can see, I can do all my in-city commutes with this e-bike without any issues. Of course, I do not have a storage compartment and all that storage area. I have to carry a backpack with me, but that's the minor thing. We can go here, and I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go here on the right, go down, and we're gonna do the same way up, so you guys see that she behaves okay. Okay, this is a steep hill going down, normal, no problem. Even with a normal bike I could do that. And then we can do something like this, and you see how easy it can go up also. No problems, no issues going up. And that's the roundabout. And basically this is what I wanted to show you, that there is always secondary roads that you can use. Even if it is not tarmac roads, you can go off-road with it and find the secondary roads without any issues, and you can reach your destinations without any problems. Let me see the battery. Okay, 76%. And now I'm gonna go on my way home. I hope that you guys like this little tour. It's not a review, it's nothing special, it's just to show the abilities and what you can do with the Sur Ron, the Light BX. Not only go off-road, but also go for your little commutes, little things you have to do around your house, and have fun and enjoy it. Another big bump. Here we go. 1, 2, woo! Done! Having said this, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. I'm gonna do this turn here. Follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, because your friend SpitfirePT on the Sur Ron Light BX, just enjoying it, it's gonna say bye!
For the dagger in the best one, young boy and I'm babbling the best lines, and you never give a fuck about set lines. Yes, and you best keep walking, brush me again, but see much talking. Old lots of violence, swinging corpse and sold in the sirens, bring 10 Watermans, been squawking like boy don't test me. Now I mean it, boy don't vex me. Man, power outside too much pesky, flex like Messi, then get kick off your jet ski. Jab, jab, stop.